Welcome to Product Critique, where we bring you the best products for your creative projects. Today, we're diving into the world of Lippan Art with Teraiyas 12 Shape Mirrors Kit, the ultimate tool for crafting stunning art pieces. If you're into Lippan art or other creative craft projects, this mirror kit is a must-have in your collection. This 1200-piece mirror kit comes with 12 different shapes of mirrors, including round, square, diamond, eye, triangle, and drop. These mirrors are perfectly cut, ensuring high-quality pieces for your crafting. Each shape is included in various sizes, such as the round mirrors which come in 1 cm and 1.2 cm, and the diamond-shaped ones range from 1.2 cm to 1.8 cm. The variety of shapes and sizes makes this kit versatile, giving you endless possibilities to enhance your art projects. One of the standout features of this kit is its generous quantity. With 1200 pieces included, you'll have more than enough to experiment with different designs. And if you're worried about damage during handling, don't stress. Teraiyas ensures that extra pieces are included in case any mirrors are broken during transit, so you're always covered. These mirrors are made of glass, adding a premium, polished finish to your crafts. They're easy to apply to smooth, interior walls, and their frameless design ensures that they seamlessly blend into your artwork. Whether you're working on a wall hanging, home decor, or any other artistic creation, these mirrors will make your project shine. Additionally, this kit is specifically designed for Lippan art, a traditional form of Indian folk art that incorporates mirrors into intricate clay work. The mirrors catch the light, creating a beautiful effect that transforms any piece of art. But you don't have to limit yourself to Lippan art. This kit is perfect for any craft enthusiast, whether you're into mosaic work, DIY home decor, or any other artistic project that requires a bit of sparkle. The mirrors come in a wide range of shapes, so you can mix and match to create patterns, designs, or even abstract art. The small, precise cuts ensure that you have mirrors that fit perfectly into even the most detailed projects. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced artist, this kit offers something for everyone. At just $23 for 1200 pieces, this kit is a great value. It's a fantastic investment for those looking to add a touch of glamour to their crafts. Whether you're making a gift, a home decor piece, or just exploring a new art form, Teraiyas 12 Shape Mirrors Kit will help you achieve professional quality results. So, if you're ready to take your Lippan art to the next level, or if you're looking for a fun new crafting material, the Teraiyas 12 Shape Mirrors Kit is the perfect addition to your supplies. Check it out today, and let your creativity shine. Thanks for watching Product Critique, and don't forget to subscribe for more reviews on the best products for your creative journey.